Hi my beautiful people, welcome back to my little space here. My name here is Emilyahardworking. If you are new here, please welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you are the returning subscriber, thank you so much. May God bless you so much. Okay, may God bless you and I really appreciate for your support and never take that for granted. And guys, today is another day, new day. Actually, it's evening. So wherever you are, here in Kenya, it's evening. Good evening, Kenyans, and every country out of this country. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning. It depends with the time where you are. Okay? Yeah. So guys, I am really grateful for everything you are doing, and your support means a lot to me. Never take that for granted. Okay? So today, guys, Today I'm preparing a fish. Yeah. So I have been showing you guys. I have been showing you how I prepare. I don't want to say how to because everyone knows how to prepare what I want to say. And yeah, let me say I have been showing you how I always prepare ugali. And yeah, here in Kenya, ugali is a staple food. Yeah, so as you know, guys, uh, I have been showing you, I think it's like 3 times or 4 times, or maybe two. I can't remember. But guys, I have been showing you how I prepare ugali. And now today I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is to show you how I prepare fish. But I have already done some parts. But yeah, I just want to show you and how my fish will look like, if it will look yummy or not yummy. Guys, you have to comment and you have to tell you because the say is yours. Okay, you know guys, something good, you can look it by your eyes, with your eyes, and then you can tell, your eyes can tell everything, right? So after preparing my fish here, I'm preparing 3 fish. I have already cut them already, and I want to I'm already boiling water, and I have already done everything. The other part, I have already blended tomatoes, and I have already done that part of tomatoes, onions, and already it's boiling. And then I want to do the part that it's remaining. And then guys, please watch. Okay, support this girl Emilyahardworking. If you don't know who I am Emilyahardworking on YouTube channel. Go and check for me, and please remember to subscribe, and that makes me happy. And guys, putting a smile on other people. So guys, you can see this is soup. This is tomato. I blended it, and then it's boiling. It's tomato and onions. I did the part, and then guys, what I have to do, I'm going to add milk. Guys, I'm going to add milk. This is milk, guys, and I just want to add milk so that after that, when the fish is ready, we shall see how the soup will look like and how yummy it looks, right? So let's do it. So you add milk here. I think that's enough. Yeah. So guys, I added here milk. Yeah. I'm just stirring it so that it can mix together like that. It has salt already. Yeah, so yeah. Let me close it. Yeah. When it's still boiling, guys, let me okay. Now guys, the soup is still boiling. You know guys, it has to boil before you put their fish, and this is my fish. Guys, this is 3 fishes. Is it fishes, guys? Yeah. Sorry. Yeah guys, this is my fish, 3 fishes, and then I don't think if it's fish or fishes. Guys, just comment. And this is hot water, warm water. Actually, this is warm water, and yeah, I warmed inside jug, and then yeah, I have to wash it. You know, guys, here in Kenya, we almost everyone love to wash everything that you cook. Let me talk by myself. I love washing everything I cook. I love washing the meat, washing the fish, everything I cook, guys, even tomatoes, everything. I mean everything. You have to wash before you cook. So this is warm water, guys. I have to wash this fish thoroughly, and then I'll put inside that soup, and then I wait for like 5 minutes. It will be okay. And then, guys, we wait for our dinner, okay? Yeah.
A few moments later.
So guys, you can see this. This is fish now. That's fish. Look how it looks. So this fish I cooked using just kitungu in Kenya, in Swahili, but onions. I used only onion and tomatoes and milk, guys. I used those three things: onions, tomato, and milk. Only one item that I added inside here is only milk, because, guys, inside this house you cannot cook uh, so many things mixing the food. Like, we have something called kitungu sahumu. It's an onion. I don't know other country how they call it, but we call it kitungu sahumu. Kids in this house doesn't like the smell. And we have dania. Guys, we have a lot of things, a lot of items that I'm supposed to put inside here, but because of the kids, guys, I have to use only milk here. So, but you can see how it looks. So, guys, please comment and tell me how this fish looks like. Yeah, just tell me how it looks like, okay? Don't fear anything. Just tell me how it looks like. Yeah, so that is it, guys. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the fish. You can see, guys, how they look like. You can see this is soup. Yeah, this is soup, and this is my fish here now. Yeah. So I hope you can see the soup how it looks like. And remember, the soup has milk. Yeah. So guys, please just watch this video until the end. And guys, if you want to eat this meal with me today, please, you are welcome. Okay? Yeah. You know, it depends on which day you are watching this video. Okay? Yeah, guys, so I hope you have seen what I have done. Yeah, that's our meal for today. Ugali and fish, and then I'm just going to the market right now to pick the greens, to buy the greens. And the market is not far away from here. The market is just close where we live, okay? So it's a place where I can go just for 5 minutes. 5 minutes I'll be back, and then yeah, and then, guys, it's just you go and pick the greens, sukuma wiki, and then I will get them when they are ready. Yeah, you know, here in Kenya, when you buy greens, maybe it's sukuma wiki, cabbage, or any other vegetable, they will have to cut them for you. Yeah, they have to. The customer that you are now a customer, so the one that is selling for you is the one to cut it for you, and then you come in the house when the greens are ready. What you have to do is just to fry the onion and the tomato, and then you dip inside, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. It's just for 5 minutes, and then I'll be back. But this video is going to stop here, guys. Please, I pray that we are going to hold our hands together, and then I'm going to hit that 1,000 subscribers. Guys, please just support your girl here, and I'm really grateful, and I'll never take your support for granted, as you can see. Yeah, and guys, I'm happy for what I have right now. I will never give up, and I'll never feel sad. Yeah, I'm happy for what I have right now. Guys, I'm below 100 subscribers, but no one to stop me, and I'll never stop. I'll never stop what I started, and I have to finish what I started, and that's what I'm going to do. Yeah, so guys, please, let's hold our hands together. Let's hit 1,000 subscribers. When I say subscriber, it means one subscriber. Guys, we are many, we are many. We are a lot of people. And guys, please, let me tell you, people that are watching my videos are many. Okay, they are not that many, but they have to subscribe. You guys, subscribe, please. Subscribe and like and share. When you subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so that by the time I have uploaded the video, you will be the first person to be notified and watch my videos, okay? So that is it, and guys, as you can see from my face, I'm so happy, so excited, and yeah, I'm happy for today, okay? And I thank God for where I am now, because guys, without God, I don't know. So I thank God for where I am right now. And guys, thank you so much. Please, let's push together and stay positive, not negative. Yeah, let's continue putting a smile in other people. Guys, the way you are supporting me, that's the way I'm supporting other people's. Now this world has a lot of YouTubers. Yeah, a lot of people now, they are content creators, and now guys, we have to support them, and we have to support each other. And guys, you have to watch their videos. You have a lot of them. Watch their videos, subscribe, like, and yeah, that's what I normally do. Guys, maybe people can see my videos and they ask themselves, who is this lady? We don't know this lady. Maybe you cannot subscribe to my channel because you don't know me. Guys, if you don't subscribe, who is going to subscribe? You are the one to subscribe, okay? Subscribe because I am your subscriber out there. Hey! Yeah, so guys, thank you so much. I'm rushing in talking because I just want to go to the market, and I can see now outside there it's already 5. Yeah, yeah, it's already 5. So thank you so much, guys. I wish you a lovely day, lovely evening, lovely morning, lovely afternoon, and if you are sleeping, please have a good night. But here in Kenya, we are still far to start sleeping. We are still like, hey guys, you still have like 5 hours or 4 hours, because here in Kenya, when you are in town, people in town doesn't sleep early. Yeah, but in the village they sleep early. So let me say we still have 4 hours to go to sleep. So we still have much time, right? Yeah. So guys, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay. Yeah. So please do what is the needful. Okay. Thank you.